Hello, welcome back to Learn Oikonomia. Having discussed the process of integration, giving you the introduction with respect to integration, this video will be looking into the integral calculus in specific by concentrating on the rules of integration. So before going into the rules of integration, let's understand something with respect to integral calculus. As we have already understood, integration is it's a process by which we find the integral, right? So integral calculation or integral calculus is considered to be a branch of calculus where focus is given to integrals as well as its properties. This is something which is considered to be a very important concept in the arena of mathematics. Integration is something which is considered as an inverse of differentiation. So the inverse process of differentiation is known as integration, and in this case, so these two things are opposites. Integration, the opposite thing is differentiation, and differentiation, the opposite thing is integration. So rather than saying the opposite, it is better to say the inverse. The inverse process of differentiation is integration, and inverse process of integration is differentiation. That's it. So these two things, the integration as well as the differentiation, these are very much related in that sense. Just understand the rules of integral calculus here. Uh, if we know that f of a function is differentiable in its domain, we can calculate the f, right? So in the case of differential calculus, we used to call f as the derivative of the function f, and in the case of integral calculus, we call f the antiderivative or the primitive function of f. And the process of finding the antiderivatives is known as antidifferentiation or simply the integration. So as we have already told, the inverse of differentiation is integration. What are the two types of integrals? This is something which we have already discussed in the video which gave an intro of integration. So there are two types of integrals, definite as well as indefinite integrals. In the case of definite integrals, both the upper limit as well as the lower limit are specified, whereas in the case of indefinite integrals, the limit is not specified. Whether it is in the case of upper limit or in the case of lower limit, both these things are not specified. So that's it. Now come to the rules used in integral calculus. We have to follow certain formulas here. This particular video is basically concentrating on formulas of integral calculus. First of all, integral of a dx. That is how to find the answer is ax plus c. So in the case of integral of 1 by x dx, it is natural log of x plus c. In the case of integral of ex dx, it is ex plus c. In the case of integral of ax dx, it is ex by natural log of a plus c. In the case of natural log of x dx, it is x natural log of x minus x plus c. In the case of sin x dx, it is minus cos x plus c. In the case of cos x dx, it is sin x plus c. In the case of integral of tan x, it is natural log of sec x plus c, or natural log of minus natural log of cos x plus c. In the case of integral of cot x dx, it is natural log of sin x plus c. In the case of integral of sec x dx, it is natural log of sec x plus tan x plus c. So let's understand the integral of sec x squared dx x dx. It is tan x plus c. In the case of integral of sec x tan x dx, it is sec x plus c. In the case of integral of sec square dx, it is minus cot x plus c. In the case of integral of tan square x dx, it is tan x minus x plus c. The case of integral of dx by root of a square minus x square, it is arc sine into x by a plus c. In the case of integral of dx minus root of a square plus x square, it is 1 by a arc sine x by a plus c. So that's all about the rules with respect to integration. I hope you could understand the meaning of integration, types of integration, as well as the rules here. That's all about integration. If you want, we'll be doing certain problems with respect to integration. We'll be solving for certain problems as well. And also, I would like to tell you something with respect to the topics to be covered. If you want me to do any of the topics, you can give some comments in the comment box. So I have done a lot of topics as per your request. So if you still want me to do more videos with respect to any of the specific topics, you can give the request in the comment box. So I'll be picking it up and I will do the video with respect to that. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also you can be a part of my Telegram group and Telegram channel. I'll be providing the links of the same in the description box. That's all. Thank you for today.